In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smooth an object in Affinity Photo. We'll keep it simple and precise so you can follow along and get a clean, polished result without overcomplicating your workflow. First, open Affinity Photo and make sure the document you want to work on is in front of you. Take a moment to confirm the correct layer is selected so any adjustments apply exactly where you expect. Zoom into a comfortable level. Seeing the details clearly will help you judge smoothness more accurately as you go. Next, click on your image so it's active on the canvas. This ensures the tools and effects you use apply to that content. If you're working with multiple layers, just glance at the Layers panel to verify the right one is highlighted. A quick visual scan of the object now will also help you note any areas that look bumpy, grainy, or uneven, so you'll know where to focus later. Now, head to Quick FX and turn on Gaussian Blur. This is your foundational softening step. Increase the radius slowly, watching the object's edges and surface as you adjust. You're aiming for a subtle, velvety smoothness, not a hazy, washed-out look. A good tip is to toggle the effect on and off a couple of times and check it around 100% zoom. That comparison helps you find the sweet spot. If the texture starts to disappear entirely, dial the blur back a touch. Finally, select the healing brush tool from the left toolbar. Hold the Alt key to sample a clean nearby area that matches the tone and texture of what you're fixing, then paint gently over imperfections you want to remove or even out. Keep your sample point close to the target for a natural blend, adjust brush size so it's just larger than the flaw, and use a softer hardness for smoother transitions. Short, controlled strokes work best, and don't hesitate to resample as lighting or texture changes across the object. If something looks off, a quick undo lets you try again. That's it. Open your project, activate the image, soften with Gaussian blur, and refine with the healing brush for a smooth, professional finish.